If you want to know more about your target audience, then check out most of Season 2's episodes. The encoding of semiotic sign action, aka semiosis, begins for the creative at the basic level. Peirce calls this iconic representation. This is a qualitative point where creators play with visualizing their ideas through rough sketches. With each sketched idea, the creative is trying ways to convey ideas through familiar qualities to things already known to the audience. These visual qualities, using iconic lines, marks, shapes, colours, etc., form very basic images of things that resemble more complex things. Now you realise this semiosis has a toehold into your existing creative process to gain semiotic momentum. Let us quickly put semiosis and ideation into a design process from start to finish. We will use the Design Council's double diamond diagram.